Hey, I'm Ted Stout with Real Mark Realty, and we are at Beach Parkway neighborhood. And Beach Parkway is located in the Gold Coast area, which is quite a large area. It's all the way from the Midpoint Bridge down to the Cape Coral Bridge, east of Del Prado. And what's unique about this beach park area here that we're in is it's got some of the biggest, widest, and deepest canals around. It's got some of the hottest new restaurants, which I'm at right here behind me, Slipaway. And it's got quick access over the bridge, plus JC Park getting a complete remodel. 2026 in April, we'll have a brand new park on the river. So this is gonna be a hot location coming up. So one of the unique things about this area is its canals. What you have right here is a really deep draft boat. The canals are almost 17 feet deep in this area. This canal behind me is over 200 feet wide. So if you got a big yacht, this is perfect. In fact, one of my clients keeps his 115-foot yacht just around the corner.
One of the best parts about Beach Parkway is its restaurants, one being Monarca's restaurant. The moment you walk in, you're surrounded by authentic Mexican culture. The furniture is handcrafted and imported straight from Mexico. The paintings are vibrant, traditional pieces that give the entire space warmth and character. It feels intentional. It feels real. The food stays true to its roots, bold flavors, authentic recipes, and dishes that make you slow down and actually enjoy dinner. It's the kind of place that becomes part of your weekly routine when you live here. And here's something you don't expect. They even have a serving robot that brings food right to your table. It's such a fun mix of tradition and modern touch, and it's always a hit when I bring clients here. It shows you exactly what Cape Coral is about: culture, creativity, and a little bit of surprise. They're also partnered with Floating Tiki Bar, which ties right into our waterfront lifestyle. Great food, beautiful atmosphere, and then straight out on the water, that's everyday life here. When I'm helping someone find a home in this area, this is what I'm really selling. Not just property, but a lifestyle filled with places like this, because where you live should feel exciting. And in Cape Coral, it truly does.
Hey, we're at Slipaway Food Truck Park and Marina. This is the hot spot right now. It's got 10 food trucks. It's got the biggest bar in Cape Coral, maybe the biggest bar in Lee County. And it's got 30 boat slips that can handle a 40-foot boat plus gas. This is the hot spot to come for lunch if you're on your boat.
Ford's Garage. When I'm showing homes in Cape Coral, I always tell my clients the lifestyle here is just as important as the property itself, and one of the places that really captures that energy is Ford's Garage. This isn't your typical burger spot. The entire restaurant is designed like a vintage auto garage, inspired by Henry Ford and classic American craftsmanship. You'll see antique cars, garage doors, toolboxes, hand-painted murals, even sinks made from tires. Every detail feels intentional, nostalgic, and incredibly cool. It's the kind of place where the decor alone starts conversations, and then the food comes out. The burgers are the real star. Fresh, never frozen, cooked perfectly, and served on branded buns that give it that extra touch. Pair it with their hand-cut fries and a cold craft beer, and you've got one of the best casual dining experiences in the area.
Hey, if you're thinking about moving to Cape Coral, you gotta check out Beach Parkway. It's got killer views, it's got a great vibe, and right now it has a great value. What do you think?